Sige. Pero may time na sumasakit.
Oo. Ito ang talagang ano sa akin. Yan o, yan o.
Masakit po siya.
Yan, oo.
Huwag sumama.
Ano yun?
Ulat lang.
Itong galing at buntong hindi mo magaling to. Yung sinabi ni Sino yung
Ano?
Medyo nawala.
Wala na.
Kasi yun nga ang masakit dito po. Yung pinipindot mo.
May dalawa na pala si Kuya natin dahil.
Hindi ito problema sa tiwan.
Kaya
Spine.
si Tan.
Last. Hindi lang. Kasi wag. Relax lang.
May sweeters dyan na din sa Ate Chelsea. Anak ni ano. Anak ni Angel.
Nalulubog na rin.
Sige, wala mo yun.
Yung kalbong.
Wala mo.
Nakikita ko lang ba.
Ah.
Ate, grupo na ka to eh.
Ha?
Sige, tapa ko kaya.
Nakalihan na niyo.
Ito yung hormone na lumubog mo. Iba naman yung pagka-twist mo. Pa-curve.
I have the lovers at the same time. One for one. My hubby came from work 5 times bigger. It's my kidneys. I got a month to live. To save Steve, I took out lifelong loans. I found a third job and he'd do the same once I recovered.
Dito po sa.
Steve's illness changed him a lot. Even his voice and personality. You must
Gawin niya.
After all, I put up with you, Chubber. Steve had never
Dapat niya.
changed this way. He never
Kasi
humiliated
split
me
yung
before. Saying he
Yeah,
was
that's not-
body positive, Steve got even fatter, hairy, and stinkier. This man, he didn't attract me because he don't want to do anything. You can come back to the bedroom when you lose 220.
Then,
When I woke up to a terrible odor, I saw Steve. I lost 220 ounces.
Yeah.
Masyado doon, ano?
Walang problema sa babae.
And then the floor couldn't bear
Yun
the
yung taas.
weight. My arm hurt terribly, and Steve was out cold. I hated both him and myself. His weight destroyed our love. If I'd seen Steve without clothes, I'd have known it wasn't him.
Taas mo pa yun.
The doctor said my arm was broken. They couldn't
That's what-
evacuate Steve. The
Hindi,
stretcher wouldn't
yung ulo
fit
lang.
through the
Ay,
door.
yung ulo na.
We need permission to tear down the wall. Our family nest was crumbling right in front of me. My marriage was ruined when Steve got a raise. Both his legs were broken, so I couldn't leave him now. I
Oh.
spent days and nights at the bedside.
Sige.
But as soon as he got
Opo
home,
po.
I filed for
Pag-ilak mo
divorce
yung
right away. I was tired of being a sitter and
Dito sa likod po.
disgusted to touch him.
Ganyan.
Boy, be good and dry. I'm tired and
Why?
want to sleep. No more
Sige
cute
pa.
smells too white as
Sige,
every
relax mo.
That's when I saw an appendectomy scar.
So,
My husband had never had surgery. I called the cops. Let me go.
sige ba?
I'm a
Taas mo.
poor, miserable orphan.
Sige, ano lang yan.
In foster care,
Okay.
Kurt learned of his twin brother and followed him. He envied Steve for having a home, a job, and a wife. Determined to take Steve's
Sino po?
place.
Ito yung problema
He
sa
left him after his
P1.
night shift.
Yung pagka-admit mo po, hindi po ganun. Pag ganun po siya.
Kurt then exchanged both
Kaya medyo
IDs and
ganun yung
pledged
leg.
Pero pag sa ganyan, parang
I
nakukuha
cursed
siya
myself for
kaagad.
falling out of love with my husband.
Inila niya yun dito. Kaya
I
sumasama.
deserve